good people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bridget. If this is your first time being in this platform, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for appreciating my content. I don't take it for granted, guys. If you like this video as well, give it a thumbs up and I will really appreciate. So today I want to talk about self-care. I'm in Kenya and it's around 10 p.m. This is the time that I'm shooting this video, and as I have said, I want to talk about self-care, and today I'm talking about skincare routine. Look at my face. What can you say about it? I have not used any filter, I've not used anything, and I found out that this is the right time that I should do this video. Welcome back again. What I can see is that I have been battling with hair since for the longest time of my life. Let's say like around 7 months, and it has not been a good thing. It has just been hectic every time. I just feel like what I did, I don't know what happened for me to have hair since, because I've never found out what really happened. I've gone to chemists, I've gone to hospitals, and nothing really happens. I just get some medicine applied on my face, and it just becomes worse. So I just did research about skincare. So I decided to just use natural ingredients, and of late so many people have been asking me what I've been using on my face, and I think what I'm going to do now might help someone out there. So stay tuned. I am going to show you the ingredients that I use. They're very natural, guys. You're just going to love them. They are very cheap. They are things that you use every day, every other time. Yeah. So here we go. We have three ingredients. Every one of you knows them. Here we have tomato. We also have sugar, and here we have maize flour. So one advantage of tomato is that it nourishes your skin, it smoothens your skin, it also removes the dark spots that you have. Ingredients, just very easy. So you just need to cut this tomato into two pieces. See. As you can see, you've cut the tomato into two pieces. Then afterwards, you're going to spread the maize flour above the or in the tomato. I think you can see it very well. And the other tomato. You spread it very well. Make sure that it is fit in every side. Thereafter, we're going to add sugar. And use brown sugar. Yeah. So afterwards, you just need to scrub your face. These are my two tomatoes. So I just start with one. I just start scrubbing my face with one. So you can scrub your face for like 5 minutes. So that is what we are doing right now. But I'm used to it, so I can scrub it minutes that I want. So let's go. Make sure you scrub every part. Just the way the tomato is. Just scrub it in a circle way. Just make sure that you scrub every part, even your eyes, eyebrows, every part. I am assuring you this one is going to work for you because it is a natural ingredient. There's no chemicals. You just need to trust. We go. Need to give it like not 5 minutes, at least 7 minutes to dry up. Then you can use lukewarm water and rinse your face. It's time now to rinse my face with lukewarm water, as I said. So let's go. We're just doing everything with you. That is going to be practical. We don't say we use anything. Remember I said we should use lukewarm water. Oh God. I just feel like I should stay here. I'm back again. Can you notice the difference? My face is just very, very smooth. Very smooth. Just feel. Oh. Guys, afterwards I got a cream here that I use. It is also good for hand marks, and it's a good one. It's called Hobby 20. It's just very cheap, as you can see. Hobby 20, and we have two types of Hobby 20. You have to be very, very careful as you go to buy it. So I would prefer just go and look for that Hobby 20 this one is very natural. It's herbal. So just go and look for the one that has these ingredients. This is pawpaw and avocado. And you should also be very careful. I have said you have two types of OB20. So there's one that brightens your skin, and is the other one. I can't remember the ingredients that they have used in it, but this one does not brighten your face. It just keeps your face dry and also smooth. And this one can be used by every type of all types of skin. I'll show you the way it looks. As you can see, it looks like this. It should have this red and green. I don't know it's spots or what. Should have it. That is the only way that you're going to know that it is very orange. So I just use it and apply on my face. Amount of it, just apply everywhere. Remember we said that it is also good for dark spots. If you have the dark spots, you can use it. So let's see. So guys, there we go. This is me without makeup, and those who see me can testify that. So I would advise you, if you are really, really struggling with these hair because they just made my life one day miserable, please watch this video and make sure that you practice what I've told you, and it is going to work for just give it like 3 days, and then you're going to see the results. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching. Bye.